Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Principles of Macroeconomics. I'm Professor Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's enjoying kind of getting to know each other so far. I wanted to go in here and introduce the class to you guys and really try to go over some informal information, maybe important information for you even to really look at and see and understand. Just trying to make sure I cover all the points that everybody wants me to cover on this. Of course, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know as well. So, I have a doctoral degree in business, where I studied economics in my field, as well as finance. I have an MBA in finance, an MDiv in Christian education, MA in theology, and a BA in religion. I like to study. I like to really get to know people and really try to understand the business world a little bit better. And we'll definitely talk a lot about my experiences and kind of help through this process as well. My availability to you guys is online, and it's one of those things where I do have office hours from 8 to 2 p.m., 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day, Monday through Friday. I can also be reached by appointment as well. So if you need something outside those hours, we can definitely set something up. Expectations for this course is that we won't have any late work, but if we do have any late work that anybody needs to turn in, please let me know beforehand so that I can definitely prepare for that and definitely help out as well. My time for responding to questions, I usually try to get back to everybody faster than 24 hours. But I know that school kind of wants us to answer questions within 24 hours. Try to do a lot faster than that, but there are definitely coming changes in my life. We're having twins in the next couple of weeks, so probably newly fresh having babies whenever you guys are going to be in my class. So that may stretch my timelines a little bit more, or may make it even faster. Who knows? I guess we'll see. My time frame for assignment feedback, I usually try to get things back to everybody within 24 hours. I like to always have stuff back real fast because I want to make sure that people understand exactly what I want from people. I know that whenever I was a student in my doctoral program, it was one of those things that I really, really hated was whenever I had to wait for days upon days to get responses. I know in the class we have 48 to 72 hours to give feedback on this. I always like to do it within 24 hours, but that's kind of what I look at on this. So we're really going to look at a lot of different things in this course. We're going to look at supply and demand and kind of what economics is. So it's going to be one of those things where it'll be a lot of fun journey. At least it will be for me. I know that you guys may enjoy it or may not, depending on if you like that kind of thing or not. But let me go ahead and show you kind of week one so you kind of have an idea of what's going on. So let's see. Let's go down here. Week one, we're going to talk about the importance of economics. So we're going to have some readings. We have an overview document here. We have the essentials of economics. Hard for me to say things sometimes. We're going to be looking at chapters 1 and 2. We also have slides for that. Help break things down as well. We have the videos here for you guys to watch. And I love Seinfeld, so it'll be one of those things where it's always a great clip to watch that. We have graded work this week. We have the Unit 1 discussion word 2. We also have the essay due and a short answer assignment due. We also have introductions, which I'll go and post mine in there in a little bit. So you'll have that before you guys even come into class. But take note of the due dates on this. The initial post needs to be done before Wednesday at midnight. Responses to 2 peers by Friday. Continued discussion by Sunday. And that's going to be the same for the other 2 discussion board posts as well. The Unit 1 essay is due on Sunday before midnight, as well as the short answer questions. So those are kind of what we're having to face this week. So if you guys have any questions, need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Again, welcome to the class. I'm Professor Dr. Neil Armstrong. Thanks.